Hello and welcome back. So today we are going to try the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Mattifying Primer with Sunscreen. Broad spectrum SPF 20. This is what the packaging looks like. I was at the drugstore the other day shopping for some new stuff and I saw this and I think it said on there that this is new, but I'm not 100% sure, but it definitely intrigued me. You know, I'm always looking for a good sunscreen. I'm trying to look matte. It's summer, it's hot outside, so we're trying to be like snatched all day. So I'm very excited to try this. Let's see what it says. It says it's, see how much it is, what it says. I feel like I'm doing a lot of Maybelline products. I promise I'm gonna get to some other brands, but I just feel like Maybelline has a lot of stuff that I want to try out, so why not, right? So anyway, so online it says that this is $8.99, and let's read the details. The Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Mattifying Face Primer is perfect for normal to oily skin. It instantly controls, so I have combination skin. Sometimes it's dry, sometimes I have dry patches, a lot of times it's oily, sometimes it's flaky. I also use a prescription retinol. It's just a hot mess up in here. That's why we're trying to get this correct, right? Anyway, so normal to oily skin, it instantly controls shine for a matte finish that lasts all day. Up to 16-hour mattifying face primer with broad spectrum SPF 20. Benefits, up to 16-hour mattifying face primer with broad spectrum SPF. Perfect for normal to oily skin. It instantly controls shine for a matte finish that lasts all day. Minimizes the appearance of pores for a flawless blurred look. Enhances the look of makeup and extends makeup wear. So today I just want to try this barefaced and see how it works on its own. And then in the future, maybe tomorrow, I will try it with a powder foundation and see how it works with that. So let's get into it and just go ahead and slap it on the face and we'll do check-ins to see, oh, it's got a little tip like that. That's kind of cool. Okay, all right, okay, all right. So let's go ahead and squirt it out. Does everybody hate that word, squirt? I like a generous amount. This is what it looks like. It's not too runny, but it's a little runny. White consistency, thin. It smells a little sunscreeny. Let's do a little bit more because I like a lot. Let's go hard. Okay, let's just go ahead and put this on the face. It smells a little weird, not too bad. Okay, I'm gonna need a little bit more. Okay, so this a little bit doesn't go a long way with this. Also, I like to cake and bake. So that's probably part of the issue. So we're just gonna rub it all over our face. Yes. That protection, that sunscreen protection is the best thing you can do for your skin. I started wearing sunscreen when I was 30 years old or something crazy. I mean, I wish I would have started wearing it younger. If you're younger, start wearing sunscreen immediately. It's the best thing you can do. Okay, I think we have it all rubbed in. Hopefully it's in my beard. My air conditioning kicked on, so I had to turn it down and let it turn off. So anyway, we have it we have it applied. And I'm just looking in the mirror for first impressions. My skin looks really good. My skin looks really good. If you're looking for just a really super natural, but like just a little bit better, I think it does kind of enhance your skin. Not a ton. I think it's blurring just a little bit. We'll see how matte it gets as it keeps drying down. I'll do check-ins throughout the day, of course. But my skin looks good. I think I'm getting a pimple right here. That's cute. My skin looks good, so upon first application, let's show you. And I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it looks good. My skin looks good. It doesn't look flawless by any means, but I wanted to try it by itself. So anyway, that's it. We've got it applied. I will check in with you in just a little bit and we will see how it's doing. Okay, we're in the car, we're dressed, and yeah, I don't know how matte this is gonna be for me. I don't know if I just have really oily skin. But yeah, I don't know how matte this is gonna keep me, because I'm not super matte now. I feel like it's been on for about 15 minutes. This pimple is gonna be crazy. Yeah, I don't know if I'm super impressed with it thus far. So I guess we'll keep going and see, and then maybe layer it with a foundation tomorrow to see how it reacts with that. But so far, not super impressed. Hello. I am out showing and working, and look at how oily I am. I hope this shows up on camera. This is supposed to be a matte primer, and this is what my face looks like. So I am not digging it by itself. If you're looking for a primer just to wear alone to kind of blur and smooth and mattify, the Smashbox, the one in the purple thing, Smashbox Matte and Poreless, I think it's called. It's like a really thick gel, and you press it in, and it blurs your pores really well. It keeps you matte for several hours. I would recommend that way over this just by itself. We're gonna try this with a powder foundation to see how it works with that, but by itself, I am not impressed. I look like I just got out of the shower. So this is a no by itself. Let's try with foundation. Hello, we are back. Yesterday was a complete flop with the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Sunscreen Primer. So today we're going to try it, and it was a flop by itself. So today we're gonna try it with some powder foundation. So I'm just gonna jump in, apply it to the face, apply the foundation, and we're gonna see how it wears today. So let's go. All right, we have it applied, and on initial first look, it looks so good. The powder foundation on top of this looks divine. My skin looks blurred. Yeah, I just feel like it looks so good right now. Like, I don't know if you can see, but like my skin looks so good. It's matte, pretty matte. So I have high hopes for this. Maybe this isn't good for by itself, but maybe under powder foundation, it's gonna be. So I will bring you along with me on my day. I'm headed to the office, so we'll do a couple of check-ins and we'll see how this goes. See you in a bit. We are in the car, we are dressed, we are ready for the day, and this is our first sunlight check-in. Let's see, let's just flip this mirror down, and I am digging it. So far, still so good. Looks so good on the skin. I am pretty matte. I am pretty blurred. It's getting a little shiny in here, but that's pretty typical. But this is wearing a lot better than it did yesterday, that's for sure. So anyway, this is direct sunlight. I don't look good with direct sunlight, but like sunlight outside here, this is good. But yeah, it's, I'm digging it. I'm digging it. It looks fresh. It looks good, blurred. I'm into it. Let's carry on. Check you in just a little bit. Hello and good afternoon. We are doing our check-in for the primer, and I'm a little shiny, but it wears so much better with the foundation over it, like laid the foundation perfectly. It's definitely keeping my oils at bay. I am really digging this so much right now. I can't even tell you. I'm really excited. So this is definitely a win. Yeah, so I wouldn't recommend wearing it by itself. You definitely need to do something over top. I don't know how it does with the liquid, but the powder foundation was awesome. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me on this review. I'm glad that it worked out. Hit that subscribe button to follow my journey on the perfect man makeup. And yeah, see how this works with other foundations. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will check you on my next one. Bye.